As you can see, it has been a partnership of public entities and private businesses, a collaboration of leaders of state and local government, nonprofit organizations, the faith-based community, as well as those from higher education and the healthcare community that has helped improve and moved Camden forward. Before I begin to outline what my administration's plans are for the coming year, particularly economic development plans, let me address the elephant in the room, public safety. While it is no secret that our department was reduced by 40% on January 18th, I want to ensure our residents, our businesses, our visitors, and anyone interested in doing business in the city of Camden, that even during these difficult times, my priority is public safety, and I will continue to focus on this issue until we solve it, until we make Camden safe, and until we stand our city up. Never has my commitment wavered to public safety. Make no mistake, my intention was to keep as many or save as many public safety personnel as possible. But given the economic realities, the city could not afford to stay with the status quo. And that is why pension and health benefits reform is so important at the state level, because it will give us the legislative tools on the local level to address the growing costs in our municipal budgets. The decision to lay off public safety personnel was not made lightly, and working with our police chief, Governor Christie, the Office of the Attorney General Paul Liddell, we developed a plan that would not jeopardize our residents' public safety, nor divert us from our police department's mission, and I quote, to reduce the number of crime victims and make our residents safe. As a part of our plan, we have created more streamlined deployment strategies that ensure the maximum number of police officers are out patrolling our streets in the downtown district and in our neighborhoods. And I would like to recognize and thank Chief Scott Thompson for his leadership under extraordinary, difficult circumstances. We have developed strategies for closer coordination with all law enforcement agencies that have a presence here in the city of Camden at the federal, state, and county levels. Those law enforcement agencies are inclusive of the FBI, the county sheriff and park police, federal marshals, New Jersey Transit, state police, ATF, Rutgers Police, Rowan Police, the county prosecutor, DRPA, and FDA. We are also leveraging an advance of monitoring technology to complement our policing efforts. Technology and equipment like our mobile command center, which is the first 24/7 operation of its kind in New Jersey. The mobile command center enables police personnel to evaluate in real time the state of public safety, and it also allows our police personnel to direct the most cost-effective and efficient deployment of resources. It is self-supportive and equipped state-of-the-art crime-fighting tool. And that is just the first mobile command unit that we have purchased, and we will be purchasing a second mobile command unit. Or the Shot Spotter that is currently in operation, which is the deployment of specialized microphones placed in strategic locations based on historical gun violence. These specialized microphones are tuned to differentiate between gunshots and other noises and can pinpoint the locations within a very small area. All gunshots are then filtered through a computer program for accuracy and plotted in mapping software, and are soon to be implemented after a decade of lobbying for the Eye in the Sky program. We look forward to installation, which it will be a state-of-the-art surveillance system and communications network. The cameras used in this system will enable us to recognize faces license plates on cars, and will allow our police department to fight crime more effectively. So as you can see, we have the technological tools and we have the leadership to enhance our efforts in fighting and preventing criminal activity in the city of Camden. While any urban, suburban, or rural mayor would love to have as many police officers as they can, the fact of the matter is that you cannot simply fight and prevent crime with sheer numbers or an unlimited amount of funding. Because of the proactive and collaborative initiatives like the Safe and Clean Corridor that I mentioned earlier, the city saw significant drops in crime in the safety corridors, identified as vital passageways and areas for our residents that have been traditionally infested with drugs and other criminal activities. We made our presence known in those corridors, and we will continue the Safe Corridors program going forward. From the time that the program was launched in July through November of 2010, violent crime in the corridor was cut in half versus the previous time frame of 2009. Robberies were reduced by 70%, and shootings and burglaries plummeted nearly 90% in the corridor. Public safety initiatives in the downtown district produced a 15% reduction in crime. When you saw the presence of our police officers throughout this district and throughout areas in the city of Camden. These advancements were accomplished with less police personnel and in a smarter, more efficient and proactive approach to policing than in the past 40 years. And we cannot forget the critical element of our collaboration and communication with community and faith-based and business organizations like the DCCB and CCOP, who have been strong advocates for the city of Camden, for its public safety, and for its resurgence. While we will continue to work hard to fight crime, we must also look into preventing criminal activity by improving our school system and by giving our youth a safe and healthy environment to be kids and to have fun and, yes, to learn. We certainly recognize that public safety is comprehensive and holistic. It is about prevention, yes, it is about enforcement, and it is also about jobs and second chance programs. To this end, I will be reinvigorating the Mayor's Youth Council because I believe in investing in our youth, investing in their potential, and investing in their future. The youth are the leaders of this great city, and we must prepare them for the global economy and prepare them to lead the city of Camden. They are the ones that we need to guide along and ensure that Camden's future remains bright and remains promising. Yet, sustaining progress is challenging even under perfect conditions. But I will continue to work along with all of our partners, again, to make our city safe and to provide opportunities for all of our residents and for those that will be moving to our great city of Camden. While the state of our city is not perfect, we are making progress and moving Camden forward in the right direction because we have demonstrated that Camden is becoming more fiscally prudent, responsible, and independent while still providing services in a cost-efficient manner. We are ready to continue moving Camden forward and take her to the next level. Not next year, not in 6 months, but today.